think I really attribute it to the people supporting us. Because, yun nga parang Lin Lang was supposed to be a one-time project. Pero sila yung nag-request talaga ng nag-request na parang they wanted more, they wanted to see more. We did Secretary Kim, then they wanted a movie. We gave them a feel-good movie, and now parang an intense teleserye. So, ano talaga, siguro hanggang nire-request hanggang may gusto pang panoorin kami. We'd still do projects together. So it's for the fans and people who supporting us. So thank you so much.
For projects together, where do you attribute the success of Team
Ito naman is hindi naman siya mag-work without the support na nakukuha namin ngayon. Ako kasi nakatatlong love teams na ako. So parang talaga meron pa rin pala na nagsusupport sa amin ni Pao. And this time, in this day and age, ang bilis ng takbo ng bawat artista and ang bilis magsawa ng mga tao. Pero sobra kaming nagugulat and at the same time, very thankful ni Pao na ganito yung effort and time and love na binibigay nila sa amin. Kaya gusto din namin ibalik sa kanila with giving them great projects also na iba-iba para iba-iba yung variations. Parang ganun. So very, very lucky in this lifetime na merong sumusuporta sa amin.
Okay, last question. For projects together, nandun na ba kayo sa point na parang nakakaumay na? Parang pahinga muna tayo?
Hindi naman po, hindi naman. Actually, may times na na parang not because nakakaumay, pero parang we feel overworked. So parang hinga muna. But whenever I talk to Kim naman, parang ano pang pwede na natin gawin after this, ito. Pwede pa pala to. Sige, baka pwede natin i-reserve yan in the future. So it's more of like finding kung ano pa pwede namin i-offer na hindi pa nila nakikita po sa amin.
But sa totoo lang, maganda yun ha? Yung konting breather, di ba, Alwin?
Yes.
Para may miss factor. Kim, what's your reaction?
Ako, may mga ganun na parang kami mag-eksena lagi. Kaya maganda din na binigyan kami ng TFC ng Kim Pao World Tour.
Yun!
Which is coming this next month, April. Basta i-announce din nila. So, meron kaming US and Canada tour. So, masaya din. At the same time, it's something different and mas personal to say thank you to all of them.
Okay, thank you very much and congratulations.
Thank you, Alwin. As we wrap this up, let's talk. Sabi ko kay Direk Lauren.
Maganda mag-tour.
Oo, di ba?
Yes, ano na siya, yung imaginary namin nangyayari na because of TFC. So, binigyan kami ng chance to meet our supporters sa US, sa Canada. So, excited kami.
Okay, may mga dates na tayo, Pao. Baka you can... may dates na! Okay. Mark your calendars, mga team, kapamilya, TFC, team abroad. Okay, let's go.
Okay, on April 24 we'll be at Redwood City. April 26 Anaheim.
And May 1 sa Edmonton and May 3 sa Toronto.
Alright! Mga kapamilya natin sa North America, it's Redwood City on the 24th. And then Anaheim, California on the 26th. And then May 1, Edmonton, and May 3 in Toronto. Wow!
Thank you. See you there.
Yeah, so exact venues and ticket details are coming out soon, so abangan nyo lang yan. See you soon, everyone.
Photo ni Sam and Rafael together. Parang hindi na malito yung mga fans.